CNC machine introduction.
Start.
Good morning all of you. I am Neeraj from Sirani Electro Party College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today I will teach you how to start a CNC machine and use it for production of some jobs in industry. So basically CNC machines are computer numeric controlled machine. It is more or less mechanical plus electrical or electronics component or devices. So it is an example of mechatronic system. So the machine which we have in our lab are vertical milling machines. Those are known as VMC and turning centers. So VMC is a milling machine and turning centers are lathe machines. Now how they are operated? They are operated using part program. These are some codes which include G codes and miscellaneous codes, that is AND codes. So using this code we write a program and that program is fed into a controller available in today's industry. These are some of the controllers. There are various controllers available. One of the controllers which we have is FANUC. FANUC has 22% of share in industry with world market. Siemens has 11% share, Haas 9%, Mazak 6.5% and Mitsubishi 5%. There are many more. What we have is FANUC control. FANUC is a Japanese company and it is majority of FANUC controls are used in industry. Now coming to the machine will have a 3-dimensional coordinate system like this. So a horizontal axis represents x-axis, y-axis and vertical axis z-axis. Tool movement is only in x direction. Job motion is in x and y direction. Now coming to this setup, this is like a job which is fixed in a vise. I will show you. And this is a tool. Tool will move only in z-axis, that is vertical, upward positive, downward negative. Right hand side, when job will move in x direction, that is in positive x-axis, it will move towards right of the operator. If it is moving towards left of operator, means it is x-axis. Near to the operator, it is minus y. Away from operator, it is plus y. So in this way the coordinate system works. Right? So we will move towards our machine and I will show how the controller and our machine is. So basically this machine is divided in two parts, a controller or brain of this machine, or you may say a computer which operates this machine. This is all mechanical assembly which is there. The machine which we have procured is from Amtar. Amtar is one of the prominent names in South India which supplies and manufactures CNC machines. The controller which is attached to this machine is made of FANUC. The series is YMD. This controller is basically divided into two sections. The upper section is known as input section. The lower section is known as operator's section. That means only operator will use this. This is input section where we will input some programs. And using that program, machine will get operated. Right? So suppose now I will change a tool with using automatic tool changer. So to change the tool, we will use some G codes and N codes. So these are N codes. So suppose I want to change a tool, so I will use M06, that is tool change. So M06, I will take M06 and the tool number which I want. So right now the tool used is number 5. So suppose I want number 1 tool. So what I will do? I will write M06 P01. Then end of block insert. So again reset and the machine will operate on its own using this program. So you can refer to the machine. So using hydraulic system, it will operate and change the tool. This part is known as automatic tool changer. This is magazine and we have a tool. Right now our job is fixed in work holding device, that is fixture. Right? This is tabletop, work holding device, tool, spindle. Now suppose I want to operate it. This is Z axis as shown here. This is Z axis. This tool moves only in Z direction. Minus and plus. This is plus, minus, plus and minus. Now my job will move only in Y and X axis. This is X axis, plus X axis, minus X axis, Y minus, Y plus, and this is how it operates. So right now our machine is at X0, Y0 and Z0. These are the coordinates of our machine. So we can refer each and every time, we can refer where our machine is, what are the coordinates of our machines. So whenever we want to go to some programs, we may change or edit some programs, something what we want. So right now I will operate this program under automatic mode, that is machine will operate using programs. So I will start the program. So for that I will start this button. So right now it is working, but since G04 is used in this program, so it will stop for 1 minute. G04 X60. X60 stands for 60 seconds. So it will work for 60 seconds. G04 stands for dwell. After 60 seconds it will work. Till then we will look after these buttons. Right now we have a spindle override knob, a feed override knob. This operates linear. This is for linear motion of tool. This is for RPM of spindle. Emergency stop. Whenever we come across some accident, we have to just press this. So this is emergency stop, and a pulse generator. Fanu has this facility, so we can use this pulse generator. Right now we have completed 1 minute, so now machine will start working. So first of all, the program says that you have to change the tool. So first tool will get changed with number 2. So this is how the tool gets changed. So yes, now machine will travel to Z minus. You can look over this coordinate system. Right now machine is at X63.3, Y39, Z minus 100. So whenever we want, we can use this coordinate system. So right now machine is at X minus 125, Y minus 75, Z minus 100. Relative position of this machine is X63, Y39 and Z minus 100. So this relative is with respect to machine with respect to our job. Also we can look over this graph, also simulation, where we will see X, Y, Z, feed, speed and tool number. So this is plotted using X axis and Y axis. So this is how it works. Thank you.